Get ready to have your mind blown because the future is here. Imagine a phone that folds into a tablet, a 200 megapixel camera, a phone that charges fully in just 5 minutes. Welcome to 2025, the year of extraordinary smartphones. In this video, we'll show you the top 7 future smartphones of 2025 that you absolutely must see. From mind-boggling features to jaw-dropping designs, these phones will redefine the standards of what a smartphone can be. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is the latest flagship phone that redefines luxury and innovation. With a distinctive round camera design, this phone is sure to turn heads. But that's not all. The Pixel 9 Pro is also equipped with some seriously impressive specs. With its eye-catching design, the Razr Plus is not only a technological marvel, but also a fashion statement. With its sleek and compact design, the Find Enter folds seamlessly, transforming from a stylish 6.3-inch smartphone into a versatile 7.1-inch tablet. But don't let its good looks fool you. The Razr Plus is also a powerhouse when it comes to performance. Equipped with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen processor, this phone can handle anything you throw at it. The Razr Plus also features an all-day battery, so you can use it non-stop without worrying about running out of power. And when it's time to capture some memories, the Razr Plus doesn't disappoint. Its 12-megapixel main camera and 30-megapixel ultra-wide camera are perfect for taking stunning photos and videos. One of the standout features is its 120Hz variable refresh rate display, which ensures smooth and responsive scrolling. The phone's under-display fingerprint scanner adds a touch of futuristic flair, while providing secure authentication. And let's not forget about the Pixel 9 Pro's camera capabilities. With a 50-megapixel main camera and a 48-megapixel telephoto lens, this phone is a photography powerhouse. Get ready to capture stunning images with ease. With its cutting-edge design, the S24 Ultra boasts a refined look that sets it apart from the crowd. This phone isn't just a device, it's a statement. The X100 Pro Plus boasts an incredibly compact body that belies its powerful performance. Capture breathtaking photos with the phone's 1-inch Sony IMX989 main camera and OIS anti-shaking technology. The Zeiss T coating on the lenses reduces reflections and glare, ensuring professional-looking photos every time. But the X100 Pro Plus isn't just about capturing stunning visuals. It also features an immersive X90 screen that brings your content to life. The phone's ergonomic curved-back design ensures maximum comfort during extended usage, but it's the hidden features that truly make this phone stand out. Equipped with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, the S24 Ultra delivers exceptional performance and efficiency. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or multitasking, this phone can handle it all. The S24 Ultra also features an advanced cooling system that ensures optimal performance without overheating. And when it comes to photography, the S24 Ultra doesn't disappoint. With its state-of-the-art camera system, capturing stunning photos and videos is a breeze. The phone's AI-powered image processing capabilities enhance every shot, making your memories come to life. So sit back, relax, and get ready to experience the ultimate smartphone extravaganza. Prepare to be amazed by the Xiaomi Mix Fold 3, a game-changing device that combines the functionality of a smartphone and a tablet in a sleek and stylish package. With its innovative hinge design, the Mix Fold 3 can transform from a compact 6.5-inch phone into a spacious 8-inch tablet, providing you with ultimate flexibility and convenience. But that's not all. The Mix Fold 3 also features a durable IPX8 water resistance rating, making it one of the first foldable phones to offer this feature. Capture stunning photos and videos with its triple 50-megapixel camera setup. The Mix Fold 3 truly has it all, so get ready to experience the future of smartphones with the Xiaomi Mix Fold 3. Number 7. Honor Magic V2. Get ready to be amazed by the Honor Magic V2, a foldable phone that sets a new standard for design and innovation. With its sleek and compact design, the Magic V2 folds seamlessly, transforming from a 6.4-inch smartphone into a spacious 7.9-inch tablet. It's like having two devices in one. But that's not all. The Magic V2 boasts an impressive 1.9 kilograms weight, making it the lightest foldable phone on the market. Whether you're watching videos, browsing the web, or working on the go, the Magic V2's flexible OLED display ensures an immersive and enjoyable experience. Its powerful performance and long-lasting battery make it the perfect companion for a day out and about. So why settle for an ordinary phone when you can have the best of both worlds with the Honor Magic V2? No. 6. Xiaomi Mix Fold 3. No. 5. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Number 4. Google Pixel 9 Pro. The Google Pixel 9 Pro is a highly anticipated smartphone that promises to deliver next-level features and design. Vivo X100 Pro Plus. Get ready to experience the epitome of smartphone luxury with the Vivo X100 Pro Plus. Number 2. Motorola Razr Plus. Get ready to flip out for the Motorola Razr Plus, a stylish foldable phone that packs a punch. Number 1. Oppo Find N2. Prepare to be captivated by the Oppo Find N2, a foldable phone that redefines elegance and innovation. 2025 will be a revolutionary year for smartphone lovers. The top 7 future smartphones of 2025 that we've shown you today are just a glimpse of what's to come. From foldable phones to innovative designs and powerful cameras, the future is bright and we can't wait to see what else is in store. Don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment below. Which smartphone are you most excited about? And if you haven't already, subscribe to Tech Tomorrow and turn on notifications to stay updated on all the latest tech news and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.